The change is coming. Are you ready? So let me start with the story. There's a frog sitting in a pan of water on fire. The frog has two options. One, to jump out and save itself. Second is to wait. What does the frog do? Just like many of us, it stays. After a few minutes, what happens is the water starts heating. Now the frog again has two options, to jump out or to stay. And it stays. Now the body is trying to adapt to the heating water and it's losing its energy. After some time, the water starts boiling. But frog now wants to jump out and it cannot because it does not have energy left in it to jump out. And it eventually dies. So there are two lessons from this story that I can revert to. One is the circumstances around you, ecosystems, surroundings will keep on changing constantly. Second, you should act when you can act to save yourself. So there are three disruptions I'll be talking about today. Electric vehicle penetration, 3D printing, and digitization. So let's start with electrical vehicle penetration. On an average in India, we sell about 35 lakh cars and about 1.5 crore two-wheelers. Now, this industry is growing at 7% per annum. Now, even if we think that a meager 20% of this share is being taken by electrical vehicles, what are we looking at? We are looking at a 13% degrowth. That's 2 years in reverse. A lot of people whom I talk with do not consider this as a disruption, but they fail to understand that a normal internal combustion engine has about 2000 plus moving parts, while that of an electrical drivetrain will have only 19 plus. The industries that are majorly going to get affected because of electrical vehicle penetration are engine component manufacturers and the ecosystem, transmission manufacturers and the ecosystems, heavy castings and their ecosystems. If you want to know more about this, do read my blog www.beyondobvious.in. So let's jump into our second disruption, 3D printing. Recently, I attended a seminar at Chennai, a big corporate house, and they showed an amazing case study of a pump. Now, this pump is currently being manufactured by a machining process and has about 19 plus assembly components. They shifted this to 3D printing, and what we have now is one component, half the time, and one-fourth the cost. So, it's pretty clear that currently 3D printing is not being used for mass production, but it has already found its inroads into aerospace, defense, medical body parts, critical components. So all in all, anything that has longer machining times, more material removal and intricate geometries is being moved to 3D printing. The future of manufacturing processes. The industries that are going to get affected because of this is machine tool industries, machining component manufacturers, their ecosystems. Let's talk about our third topic, digitization. A simple word, but probably the biggest disruption our generation will ever see. Big corporations have already started moving from manual formats to digitized formats. Artificial intelligence is widely being used to solve supply chain issues like planning, scheduling, etc. Wearable gadgets will be reducing your visits to the doctors because artificial intelligence clubbed with microprocessors and sensors will use predictive diagnosis to anticipate diseases you may have in future. Online degrees and certifications have already started changing face of the education. Lower cost, flexibility, convenience, repeating the lectures, there are a lot of advantages. Cameras, microprocessors, artificial intelligence will change the way we are handling our traffic at our ports, at our roads, highways, malls, etc. Crime detection, taxation, visa, ticketing, toll, travel, there are umpteen uses where digitization is supposed to change the world around us. So let's understand how these disruptions are going to affect us commoners. Lower sales means current capacities remain underutilized, so no capex. Component manufacturers will be stalled or will be seeing a degrowth. Stagnant market implies stagnant recruitments and lower salary growths. So these changes are going to disrupt the ecosystems around us, but they are also going to build new ones. Electric vehicles are going to bring in opportunities because vehicle differentiation will remain a capacity of features, comfort, entertainment, safety, security. 3D printing will open up avenues for engineering, design, 3D modeling, 3D designing. Digitization will need core competence in primary activities, artificial intelligence, programming. So all in all, there will be a lot of new fields that will be generated. Find opportunities in them, adapt to them, and you should do good. So hope you found this video relevant. Please like and share. If you want to know more, do visit my blog www.beyondobvious.in. Thank you.